Oh. So, and with that battery rattling around, it busted my bottom tray, and so now I'm using the strap. And hello.
Howdy.
Howdy.
Are you busy?
No.
I just heard you talking like you're doing.
I'm just filming a YouTube video. That's all. You have some questions, I see.
Well, I swear I've seen something like this. I don't know, we're on Instagram or something.
Uh-huh. And
I'm shocked that I'm looking at one now, though.
Yeah.
Is it considered a bicycle?
No.
But it doesn't look like it.
It shares mountain bike parts.
Uh-huh.
So like you can see the brakes are from a mountain bike, and the forks are mountain bike forks.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's got a motorcycle frame, motorcycle seat, motorcycle handlebars. And then I put dirt bike tires on it. These are real motocross dirt bike tires.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah,
so,
the front, that's like 21-inch tires.
It is, yeah. So I had to grind out the forks a little bit here.
Yeah.
To get it to fit. So it comes stock with 19-inch wheels and skinnier tires.
Yeah.
So that's a stock wheel in the back, but this is an aftermarket wheel up front. So.
Yeah.
And
is that like a special build where you put that rim? Or no, it's kind of like it's made for, I don't know, it's kind of made for a lightweight.
Yeah,
wheel.
It's not a full-on motocross wheel.
Yeah. But
and it shares the
tire.
hub. Shares the hub as the same as the forks. You know, that has to match, obviously.
Yeah, exactly.
So
you bought the wheel already built up?
Yeah, I bought the wheel built up, and then I ordered the tires separately. And the place that sold me the wheel, they sell these bikes, and they sell aftermarket and hop-up parts for them.
Yeah. Wow.
It's out of control fun.
Oh, I bet.
It's I can't ride it enough. Like, I'm constantly riding it. And I've ridden it in the street. I drive it to work sometimes in Tualatin. And I just ride in the street, and I haven't been messed with by any cops or anything. You know, as long as you're just cool, it'll do like 45 top speed.
Right.
So.
Well, I've been around mountain biking forever, and also motorcycles. Yeah. And I've seen the early days of, electric motorcycles, and actually worked for a company that made aluminum frames, and we did bicycle frames mostly. And then we did a frame for a company called Bramo, and it was an electric motorcycle that was built in Oregon, really. But they entered a couple of these, they're like road racer bikes. They entered a couple of them in the Isle of Man, which is I don't know if you're familiar with Isle of Man, but it's a street race on country roads in Britain.
So that bike you're talking about is sitting at Moto Corsa on display.
Is it Bramo?
I'm almost positive. It went there to Isle of Man, and it was built here in Oregon.
Yeah.
And I think it set a few records maybe or something.
Or it could have been, what's that other guy's name? Moto Sizz? It could have been.
Not sure.
Because that guy was, I think, entering motorcycles too at the same time. But yeah, the Bramo was, it was really weird because they...
Was it a white bike?
They're green and white, I think, and black. God, it's been a while. But, I'm curious, because there's a guy in Portland that was building high-end bikes too, and he entered some at the same time. But yeah, we supplied frames though for those. But it's the progression of electric.
Yep.
It's like I love the sound of a dirt bike motor, but it's starting to win me over a little bit.
Yeah. I ride motorcycles. I have loud motorcycles, all that crap, and then some of my friends kind of make fun of this, and I let one of them ride it. He loops it because it's all torquey and stuff.
Right.
And it's electric. It's kind of still early, but I had to jump on this and get this. It's a blast. It is an absolute blast.
I imagine it. How much does it weigh?
Right now it's coming in right around 150 pounds.
That's not bad.
Yeah. Stock, they weigh 138.
Wow. Yeah. I mean, super fun trail bike.
Yep. it does awesome out at the trails, the OHV trails. It keeps up with gas bikes, no problem.
Oh, I bet. Yeah, a lot of times if you're on tight trails,
yep, it's
the lighter weight is huge. Yeah, I was just looking up this whole Bramo thing, just to kind of remember. Oh, this is cars. Oh yeah, here's the bikes. We did kind of a. Oh yeah, here's one. It was sponsored. They were sponsored by Best Buy. So there's their name. See, we did the aluminum frame, just this big, you know, heavy-duty head tube to, you know, head tube to swing arm, giant frame. Did we do a swing arm? I can't remember. But yeah. So that's my connection to electric stuff.
Nice.
pretty minimal, but it was fun.
Yeah.
But yeah, we used to do a lot of downhill aluminum frames for mountain bikes. We did some frames for Santa Cruz and Turner, Specialized, Schwinn, a few others, but
nice.
Gosh, yeah, I can't believe I'm. So where did you buy this?
So I got this from a dealer in Utah called Amped Bikes. There's a couple other dealers in the United States. There's a dealer in Canada actually that's been helping me out, and so like they're helping me out with the hop-ups. So they helped me out with these and the wheel up front, and I put a bigger sprocket in the back. And so yeah, I mean, there's a ton of aftermarket parts for them too.
That's so cool.
Yeah, there's power upgrades.
What is it called?
Talaria Sting. Yeah.
So this is probably Chinese, huh?
Yep, it's Chinese, and this is kind of like a spin-off of the Surron. So the Surron's been out for like 2 years, maybe a little bit more. This one just hit the United States a couple months ago.
Oh wow! Okay.
January, I think. So it's kind of fresh.
Really, I mean, this is the kind of stuff that we had a team of really good TIG welders.
Yeah.
And this is really good welding.
Yeah, I thought it looked decent, but I'm not a welder, so I didn't really know. But I thought it looked pretty decent and beefy.
Oh yeah, yeah. The construction, and the quality's really good. That was the thing when we were making frames. Taiwan wasn't as good at the high-end aluminum, but it was only a matter of time. This is like back in the 90s, early 2000s.
Yeah.
We were in the US, you could be competitive with aluminum frames anyway. But it was only a matter of time before Taiwan and China caught up with technology and quality and everything, and now they're doing this. You can't.
Yeah.
How can you compete against that?
The quality, the product is pretty impressive for it being Chinese, but the assembly wasn't too great.
Oh yeah.
So, and I know they're still going through some growing pains or whatever, but some of the bolts were like over tightened, some of the bolts were under tightened, and then like for instance, the bearings in the headset didn't have any grease packed in them.
Oh wow.
So I had to pull that apart, pack grease in them.
It's kind of minor stuff.
Yeah, it is. I think it's just growing pains.
Yeah.
So
that's crazy. Well, we're over there thinking about going down this hill, and then I saw you with this bike. It's like, oh geez, we gotta come over and check this out.
Cool, man. Well, nice meeting you. If you want any more information on it, you can check out my YouTube channel.
Oh yeah, what is it?
Yeah, it's called Oregon Motorcycle.
Oregon Motorcycle.
Yeah, it's real easy to remember. I have a handful of videos on this thing, and talks about me like getting it, and it shows the unboxing and all that stuff.
I wonder if I don't know what I saw. I swear I just saw one of these a couple days ago online somewhere.
Yeah.
It dropped a new CB500X.
Yeah, that's one of my videos.
Okay. Cool. Okay, well, I'll have to check it out.
Cool deal.
So where have you ridden this, like on trails?
I've taken it to Lottie Flats a couple times.
Okay.
And there's videos out there. There's videos on my channel.
Oh, good. I haven't been up there. I want to see what that's like.
Yeah, it's fun. A lot of fun. And then I come down here, mess around the river.
Oh yeah.
There's a track by Safeway. I don't know if you guys been over there yet.
Safeway? You mean Safeway over here?
The top of hill, Oregon City.
Oh, okay.
You know that Safeway there?
Yeah.
KFC. That intersection right there, and basically across the road from Safeway, there's a beautiful park. It's like brand new, and there's a couple mountain bike trails there.
Oh, cool.
Yep.
That's probably been a long time coming.
Yeah. All right.
Really cool.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Enjoy your day.
With that. Yeah, you too.